DDD stock analysis and stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, what I'm going to do, and how I'm going to trade this. I am the only guy in this stock space that has done 40,000 videos. It has proof of everything, like literally on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Unironically, it's pumping. It's pumping, so are most of the tickers, but I'm not just going to give in straight up, you know, because if you look at the ranges and how we're actually moving, all we are doing now, we're filling in a little gap. Doesn't mean anything bad, don't worry, but still, if there is some sort of a shift in a double break, I'm surely taking it down. I mean, I don't know about you, man, but like, sell side also makes money. It makes maybe 35-40% of the money that I'm making on the sell side, right? But yeah, I'm just being perfectly upfront. Not that I'm going to randomly sell, but if rules are met, sure. And for that, I'm going to keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and free insights. It's free.